Hello and welcome to another practice session. In this practice session, we'll be discussing questions from immunology, and this practice session is dedicated for IIT JAM 2022 preparation. Now, this is MCQ practice session 1. You can get the link for other practice session in the I button. We'll be practicing 10 questions in 10 minutes. Many of you guys are thinking of fine-tuning your rank and want to get a single-digit rank at this moment. So all you need to do right now is to brush up your concept using my channel or other media sources, and you can fine-tune your last month preparation. Now let me remind you that Unacademy is launching a batch known as Ambition Batch for 2022 Biotechnology, and this is basically a rank booster batch where India's top educator would be guiding you in the process of your preparation and help you how to boost the rank. So this batch is starting from 24th November. You can use my code AP10 to get a 10% discount. You can click on the link provided in the description. So check that out. Now let's begin with the question answer session. Question number 1. Among the following, which antibody is secreted in the breast milk via the process of transcytosis? So you need to know what is transcytosis and what are the secreted format of antibodies found in several bodily secretion like tears, breast milk and many other things. So here the correct answer would be IgA. At any point you want to revise immunology quickly, the immunology playlist is provided in the I button. Hybridoma technology is used to produce interferons, monoclonal antibodies, immune responses. And the correct option is monoclonal antibodies. Question number 3. Interferons are proteins with antibiotic-like properties, antiviral proteins generated in the neighboring cell upon viral infection, antigenic proteins which is synthesized after fungal infection, all of the above. Correct answer is these are antiviral proteins. So they prevent the infection of viruses via several means, and you can revise it quickly. So check out the I button for the interferon related video. Question number 4. Cellular and molecular players associated with type 1 hypersensitivity allergic reactions are neutrophil and IgG antibodies, Th cells and IgM antibodies, mast cell and IgE antibodies, B cells and IgA antibodies. So the correct option is mast cell and IgE antibodies. Which of the following statements regarding antigen-antibody interaction is incorrect? Affinity measures the strength of interaction between epitope and an antibody's antigen binding site. Affinity is defined by same basic thermodynamic principles that govern reversible bimolecular reaction. Avidity gives a measure of overall strength of an antibody-antigen complex. Avidity does not depend on the valency of both antigen or antibody. So the correct option here is option D, because this is an incorrect statement. Avidity measures the overall strength of the interaction. So it has to be a function of valency of the antigen antibodies actually, because if you have more valency, then you have stronger interaction overall, right? You want to learn more about affinity, avidity, click on the I button. Which of the following cell is not derived from myeloid lineage? Neutrophil, basophil, macrophages, B cell. And the correct option is B cell, because B cell is derived from the lymphoid lineage and not the myeloid lineage. Antigen-antibody interaction could be used to detect pregnancy. Which of the hormone is detected in the antigen and antibody interaction in the pregnancy strip? Correct answer is human chorionic gonadotropin. Which of the following statement is not true? IgG can cross placenta and can be transferred from mother's body to fetus. Erythroblastosis fetalis is an example of hypersensitivity reaction. IgE isotype is involved in allergic responses and are most abundant in the plasma. IgM can give rise to very strong complement fixation. Correct option here is C. Yes, IgE isotype is involved in allergic response. We have encountered this previously, but this is not the most abundant antibody present in the plasma. So that part went wrong. Anyway, at any point of time, if you want to learn that what type of questions were asked in IIT JAM, you can quickly check the playlist which provides all the previous year question solution. So that would be really beneficial for you to get an understanding that what is the level of difficulty. Generally, they ask simple questions from immunology which are pretty straightforward. Question number 9. Which of the following statement about dendritic cell is false? Dendritic cell have dendrite-like projections which help them to capture antigens. Dendritic cells are mobile. They capture antigens in one place and displace them in other place. Dendritic cell is not a professional antigen presenting cell. Dendritic cell can be derived from both lymphoid or myeloid lineage. And the correct answer here would be option C. Yes, they are professional antigen presenter cells. So the three professional antigen presenter cells are dendritic cell, B cells, and macrophages. Question number 10. A patient has reported fever. Upon blood test, it was found that his neutrophil counts were really high, and selectively his neutrophil went up, but not the lymphocyte counts. Lymphocyte counts has decreased. What is the interpretation of this result? The patient is infected by virus, infected by bacteria, or virus bacteria both, and none of the above. For this question, I won't provide any solution. So if you are watching this video, try to solve this question and let me know with reason what is the kind of infection. So looking forward to your reply. If you like this video, give it a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.